Yo, what's up, YouTube? YouTube, my people, man. Sorry it's been such a long time, man, but I'm back, man. Look, some of you guys been struggling with your 808s, trying to figure out, like, what notes do you hit? Like, how do I know how to do the 808s, right? So, I'm going to break it down as simple as you probably have ever heard it before. Now, this is a technique that I've learned. All right? And this technique is going to be very helpful to you. All you got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, be like, thanks, Zell. And, man, I appreciate it, man. I don't get paid nothing from this, but I love helping you guys. So I genuinely do this because of you guys. Whoever you are, right? Like, yeah, you. You are important to me. So I'm going to keep it 100 with you. All right, I'm going to keep it 100. So look, let's turn our attention towards the screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play what I got so far. It's a little beat, some slight, you know what I mean? Hey, Mickey. Okay. So, first thing you're going to want to do is hit that subscribe button. Now, this, gotcha. All right, so first thing you're going to do, as you see, I got these other sounds muted. And I did use the Midi Wizard for this. And what I'm going to do is you got to have a MIDI. So you got to make sure that you click the chords first that you did your piano to or guitar, whatever you do. And you're going to just copy and paste. Copy. And I'm going to get an omnisphere because that's going to be where I'm going to do the 808. If you have sample 1, whatever you're using your 808s for, pull that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna find the Iced Out collection. I'm gonna find it. Sorry, it always does that. I got this from Unison, but I love Unison. I don't like the in your face. There we go. I'll just do good, whatever. So you pick up your thing and then you copy and you paste it. I probably already copied it. I just didn't paste it. Or duplicate it by pressing D. I'm out of it right now. And so then what you do is you click in there. And there's so many ways you could do it, but I'm gonna highlight all these and ghost them. Okay, so now I want to hear just the bottom with the go. So that's the bass right there. That's the bass line right there. I muted all the top notes and I kept the bottom note there, but we're not done. So now I'm gonna bring up my kick because you want it to follow your kick, but I'm not going to play anything else. And I'm gonna turn my 808 down so I can hear my kick. So boom, let's go to it. Zoom in, and I'm gonna get my cut tool, my split tool, and make sure my toggle snap is on. And then it might come actually over here, bring it. You see what I'm doing? Following the kick. Okay, I messed up, but right here. There we go. Now, I don't have to do all the with all that because the kick is doing that. And I don't want it to do the exact same thing as the kick. But now I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Now, if you're like, yo, Zell, why didn't you like just delete all the top ones? Because now I can add a variation. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is try to make it go boom boom, and I'm gonna turn that down. I might not even want that one. I might go boom. And sometimes you don't need variations, but they're here, and I just turn the velocity down. And you could even do more if you want. But I'll leave that there. And you can always use the split tool and do what you want, even though. Boom. Let's see if we just cut that right there. It's like the same thing that we did over there, but I'm turning them down. There we go. So that's just the bullshit. You know what I mean? When you want to add variation, or you could just keep it simple. So now when I play the beat without the other two sounds, still I'm gonna keep just the drums. Now when I say variation, I say that because if I wanted to duplicate this track complete and I want it to switch up twice, right? Now I can go, let me see. I could take out this. I could leave it basically what I had the first time. Boom. Now let's turn this off. That's the basic, that's the first variation. Right? Then I'm gonna switch it up. So just some basic stuff, but you do this, you're gonna be gold every single time. Now, there's one more trick I wanna show you, okay? Because a lot of you guys are gonna take this, and this will work. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is work. But the problem is sometimes your 808 is out of key, right? So I'm gonna show you guys what to do when your 808's out of key. So let me pull up a 808, and I'm gonna just go to my ultimate kit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull up sample one so I can have something to sample it with. All right, sample one. Now here's what I do. This is, man, somebody show me this right here. This right here. So I'm gonna mute what I just did. And so for this, I'm gonna put a blank thing there. Click it, go to piano roll. You start with the high notes. Higher. You just gotta find it. And you can hear now that it's so high. Just pressing D. And I can hear, I just could kind of tell in my ears, so sorry y'all, but you're finding it. And I'm not doing extra variations with this, I'm just showing you the simplest way. Now I got them all high, right? All right. Now I'm gonna highlight them all. You know where I'm going with this, and I'm gonna bring them down. Make sure you know it's on B. See right there? That's B again. Boom. That's not low. As you can see, it'll, if you hover over it, it'll tell you which key it is. B3. But that's without holding it. So now I'm gonna. You know how long you gotta hold each note too. And even like with these kind of shorter 808s that I got in my kit, see, it's those are the kind of things you can add. Like if I wanted to add like a boom, boom, You just keep duplicating your notes. Like, with the split tool. Is that it? But that's the kind of things, like, I'm just different variations. So use that split tool. Definitely you want to go crazy with that split tool for your variations. And if you don't know like which notes you want to change it with, then you can, like I said, you could just copy and paste the chords. Because the chords, what you're doing is you're just playing that bass note, that root note, all the way at the bottom. So make sure that you pay attention to your chords, all right? To the root note. Now that's how you do it, man. So let's just go over what I said real quick. First thing I did was I copied and pasted the chords, and I ghosted out all the top notes and I left the root notes, the bottom. And I did that on the Omnisphere 808 because I knew that's in key. If you don't have the key, then what you do is you get an 808 that you already have this out of tune or whatever, and you pitch it up top. Now, mine's is in key, which is good to know, right? So my ultimate kit is in key. It's in B, but yours might not have been in B. So if you need like just confirmation, go to browse, go to your effects. I use this tool all the time, so don't think you're too good for it. You know what I mean? I use this tool. It's called Tuner. And I drag that and it'll tell me which key I'm in. All right, so I hope this video helped you guys out. Okay, if it did, I'm gonna ask you to do this one more time. Like, comment, be like, yo, thanks Z, because I'm doing it because you guys keep thanking me in the comments. And then, what was the last? Oh yeah, subscribe, because you're probably not subscribed, to be honest with you. You're probably not subscribed. You probably are, but you're probably not. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.